So here we are looking at the 5-minute chart of RARS. This is supposedly the big new promotional play out there. That's if it is by the same group that's done a couple of the past ones, SNPK being the most recent. Should get pretty exciting. That remains to be seen. I haven't gotten 100% confirmation yet, but if you look at the volume, look at the message boards, look at all that stuff, that's the speculation. So I thought I'd break it down, and by the amount of questions I've gotten on it, there's clearly quite a few people playing it. And because this is such a new chart, so this is the daily chart. Really the only thing you can use is a 5-minute. But again, because of all this volume, and when I say volume, I mean this is massive liquidity here. So whether or not it's this group, it's already provided some nice liquidity and trading opportunities. But being that it's gotten all that volume, the 5-minute chart, you still can make something out of it. So basically, what I would just want to do, because if this is the true play, then resistance levels aren't going to really mean too much at this point. But a good level of just kind of gauging the health of the chart and the health of the play and everything like that will just be to watch the key levels of support. So I'm actually just going to start off at the resistance. So right now, current resistance is right up here at 59 cents. Twice it came up there and hit that. But again, if this is indeed being marketed by the same people that did SNPK and before that NSRS, then I don't foresee this being too much of an issue. But just from a technical perspective, 59 cents is the current level of resistance. Now, in terms of kind of the health levels, so I'm not even going to use the word support because I look at these more of just gauging the health of the stock. So the first health level that I think is worth keeping an eye on is going to be right up here at 55 cents. I'm going to leave this line skinny because while it is a health level, the price could drop below there and there'd still be a chance. I wouldn't say that the chart's broken or anything like that. A more important level of health is going to be right here at this previous high up here, which is right around the 50 to 51 cent area. So I'll make this line a little bit thicker. And then finally, the real big level, and especially if you watch level 2s today, or the 1-minute chart, you saw that just an absolute boatload of shares swapped hands down here at 45 cents. So this, given the amount of shares that really traded hands, if this level fails, then I think something could severely be wrong. Of course, crazier things have happened with these charts where there's been massive pullbacks and bounces back up. But just from watching level 2s and knowing that it's day one, 45 cents really seems like a key level. And just real quick, looking at the 1-minute, let's shrink this out. You can see that down here for a very long time. Well, I shouldn't say for a very long time, but it just basically went sideways right here at 45 cents for quite a while. You can see some big volume bars that happened there. So lots of shares occurred down there. So that's why I'm making that kind of almost a must-hold level as far as I'm concerned for the overall health of the chart. So that's where it stands right now. Like I said, it's a very new chart, so there's only so much you can take from it. But the best thing to do is kind of just monitor these support levels or health levels, and as long as these hold, then there's support in the stock, and that's what you want to see at this point in time. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, as we've been making some good money together on our alerts. One more time, this was RARS 5-minute chart. Thanks for listening.